Good morning, students. How are you all? I think you all are okay. Fine. Isn't it? Okay. Today we are going to study about state government. Civics Unit 1. Civics Unit 1. State government. Term 2. Who are the representative of people? Who are the representative of people? Can you say? Listen. MLAs are representative of the people. Okay, appa? The answer. MLAs are representative of the people. What is the expansions of MLA? Members of legislative assembly. Members of legislative assembly. Where is St. George Fort? St. George Fort is in Chennai. It is in Chennai. Chennai la the George Kotai irukku. Okay appa? Which was the first fort? Which was the first fort? St. George Fort was the first fortress in India. Okay, St. George Fort was the first fortress in India. What has in St. George Fort in Chennai? The fort currently houses of the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly and Secretariat of Tamil Nadu. Okay, the fort currently houses of the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly and Secretariat of Tamil Nadu. Okay, appa? Next one. What is legislative assembly and what is its function? அப்படினா என்ன? Legislative assembly has the lower house. Legislative assembly has the lower house where all the MLAs meet to discuss various matters related to the welfare of the state. Related to the welfare of the state. Okay, I will repeat. Listen. Legislative assembly has the lower house where all the MLAs meet to discuss various matters related to the welfare of the state. Okay, appa? What has India system of administration? What has India system of administration? India has separate system. It administration for the union states and union territories. Union states and union territories. Okay, union states and union territories. How many states and union territories are in India? How many states and how many union territories are have in India? Okay, there are 29 states. How many states? 29 states, 7 union territories, including our capital territories, New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi வந்து யூனியன் டெரிட்டரியை சேர்ந்தது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட். How is power divided into India? எப்படி இதை பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க பாரு. Power is divided between two sets of governments. one at the central in Delhi. Okay, yeah, and separate government for all the states. One at the central in Delhi and a separate government for all the states. What is federal system? Federal system na enna? Federal system na enna? What is federal systems? One is at the central and separate governments are for all the states. Okay, yeah. One is at the central and separate governments are for all the states. Okay, appa. Next one. Next. Who is the head of the Indian Union? Who is the head of the Indian Union? Indian Union head வந்து யாரு? The President of India. இந்தியாவுடைய President தான் Union Territory head. Okay. Next. Who is responsible for smooth running of the government? And what is central government? The Prime Minister and all the central cabinet ministers are responsible for smooth running of the government. This is called central government. Okay, I repeat again. The Prime Minister and all the central cabinet ministers are responsible for smooth running of the government. This is called central government. Do we have a separate government for state? Yes. All the states and union territories have separate governments to run its own administration. Yeah. Who constitute the state government? Governor, Chief Minister and all the ministers constitute the government. Who is MP? MP means the member of parliament. MP means member of parliament. Okay? Who is MLA? MLA yaar? MLA means member of legislative assembly of the state. Okay, yeah. Assembly of the state. Next. How are both the central and state governments work together? According to our constitution, they work together. According to our constitution, work together. Constitution, they work together. Okay, appa. Today our class is over. You have to read the lesson. Okay, line by line. Underline the important words. And also study previous homework. Write in your note. Okay, thank you. God bless you.